friends and families, welcome back to my channel. So the recipe that I've got to share with you guys today is how to make chili chicken. It's very easy and simple to make it. And as you guys know, as always, if you watch the video till the end, you would love this recipe and you may want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So friends and families, for today's recipe I will be using 400 grams of chicken breast, and the seasoning I will be using to marinate the chicken are some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of onion granules, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and I will be using 2 eggs for this recipe. Then I will give it a mix until it's well combined, and followed by covering it and marinate it for at least 1 hour. So guys, while my chicken is marinating, I'm going to quickly show you the combination of the seasoning I will be using to make my chili sauce. And the ingredients are 5 tablespoons of tomatoes ketchup, 5 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, but you can use sugar if you prefer so, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Then I'll follow up by giving it a good mix until it's well mixed.
Lions roaring in the morning sun. And
finally, I will be adding my homemade green seasoning, and I will be adding about 7 tablespoons. I've already made a video about this and it's on YouTube, and I'll link the video at the end of this video so you can go and see how I've made this delicious green seasoning. And I'll follow up by giving it another good mix. Then I will set that one aside as well for later. And for my vegetables, I will be using a combination of yellow, green and red bell peppers, and I will also be using 1 large onions chopped. And finally, I've got some spring onions, and one of them I will use it for my stir fry, and I will use the green one for garnishing when the food is done. And finally, some fresh chopped chili. Yay! And next it's time to check our marinated chicken. It's been 1 hour since it's been marinating, and so far this is how it looks like.
For a longer day, people feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grasping.
I'm going to give it another mix. Then after mixing, it will be time to start frying. So at this stage my oil is hot, and I'm going to basically start to fry my chicken. And if you're doing the same as me, make sure you put your chicken strip one by one. If you put them all on one go, they will stick together. So basically fry it, and once it's well fried, I will remove it and set it aside for later. Okay guys, now that the chicken has been fried, it's time to start our final cooking. And into my cooking pan I've got some oil, which is already nice and hot, and I'm going to follow up by adding some grated garlic. Give it a stir, then add the fresh chopped chili, stir it well, Then followed by adding my spring onions, and I will give that a good stir as well. Then it would be time to add the chopped onions, stir it well until it begins to look slightly softer.
Life is happy but it's so.
Then at that point it would be time to add in the mixture of my bell peppers. Then I will keep stirring until all the vegetables begin to soften, and once it begin to look soft it would be time to add my chili sauce. Then I will carry on stirring for 1 minute.
We must merely make a start.
And after 1 minute it would be time to add in the chicken, stir it well, and voila, my friends, our chili chicken is done. Yay! So I'm going to garnish it using the green spring onions, and the smell in here, guys, is amazing. It's smelling good, and I'm pretty sure you would love this if you give it a try. So it's time to proceed to start serving. And I will be serving this with white boiled rice, and I've got a video on YouTube already about how I cook my white boiled rice, and I would link that video at the end of this video so that you guys can follow up and see how I cook my boiled rice. Alright, friends and families, I hope you've liked today's recipe, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you ever tried the recipe, leave a comment in the comment section below to tell me how it turns out, and also share the video with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share the video with your friends and families. Alright, friends and families, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.